Hello friends! If you're planning to visit Singapore and gusto mong makatipid or ayaw mong napapagod ka kakalakad papunta ng mga walking distance spots, consider renting a bike. And guess what? It's just $1 per 30 minutes. Woo! Yes, you heard it right. So itong gagawin nyo. First things first, of course, you have to download the app. That's the AnyWheel app. Sa App Store or Google Play, it's available. Next step, open the app. Tap sign up, enter your mobile number, and then input the OTP. Next one, you have to set up your profile, fill in your details, your name, active email, and password. Next one, you have to set up payment, okay? Usually, it's credit card and debit card. And of course, in my case, I use Maribank because, of course, I want a cashback, and Maribank offers that. Okay? So, next step, you have to find a bike. You have to check the map inside the app to see available bikes near you. Again, this app is user-friendly. So, hindi kayo mahihirapan. Next step, unlock the bike. Pag may nakita ka na, scan the QR code, then boom! Unlock na, and then you're ready to explore Singapore. So, enjoy the ride. Just please make sure follow bike lanes and traffic rules. Singapore is strict, okay? So, if you're done with your rides, then just check your app again. Kung saan may malapit na parking area, make sure to park only that bike sa designated parking spots. And please don't forget, before nyo siya i-end yung trip nyo, you have to lock the bike dito sa likod. Ayan, may ibababa lang kayong something dyan. Yan, sa video, nakikita nyo naman. And then, balik kayo sa app, you have to confirm that you're going to park na the bike. Isasaulin nyo na. And then, don't forget, you're going to scan again the QR code na nandyan sa parking area. Hanapin nyo lang. And that's it. So, nakatapid ka na. Hindi ka masyadong napagod. Alright? And of course, you enjoyed Singapore in a different way naman this time. Okay? So, that's it for our video. And follow for more travel tips. See ya!